SMF Street Traders, we're going to update you on the Nasdaq 100. That Sandisk, Logitech, RIM, Maximum, Checkpoint Software, the top 5 leaders. Then we got Dell and Broadcom and Flextronics down there. We got the Apollo. Look at that. Baidu is down in here. These are the leaderboards right here on that Nasdaq 100. It goes way down. We can scroll down the list. It's very important for you so that you have it on video, so you have a rotating leadership all the time. You got Joy Global down there. That thing was making 52-week highs today. Not only that, you got Apple down here. It's not a leader on the Nasdaq 100. Garmin is down there. We're going to be a big short seller on that Garmin. The worst performers down here: Urban Outfitters, Retail Citric Systems, Electronic Arts, NetTap, Win, Celgene is weak today, Expedia, Starbucks, Cephalon, Veritox. We know them all. We trade them all. Ross Stores, another retail sector. We'll be taking a look at that. Amazon is down here. Gilead, that's a biotech. Microsoft, Sears Holding, that's retail. Yahoo, Priceline is not leading the way. Costco definitely isn't. Best Buy, retail down there. Genzyme, we all know that, another biotech. So that's the midpoint of the Nasdaq 100. Let us not forget that these are great short opportunities intraday in the SMF platform, and naturally the great long opportunities here. That's the positive net change on the day. Dish is up a little bit, but the leaderboard is SanDisk. That's that flash player that also contributes a lot of product to Apple. And they're at 5.31% on the day. That Logitech, that's the headset I'm talking on, they're at 4%. So RIM's up 3.43%. Then we got Maxim Integrated Circuits at 2.63. Then we end down here at Checkpoint. Then we got Seagate, another technology stock, up 2.2. But let's not forget Dell's getting finally a dead cat bounce, up 1.97. These are the percentages. That Apollo group is up 1.57 on the day, not to mention some of the lower stuff. So when we take a look at the amount of green in the Nasdaq 100 to that point, now let's go on the bottom end, but then we also take a look that Urban Outfitters is down 5.59% on the day. So that's a big loser in the Nasdaq 100. So SanDisk is a big winner, and that's a big loser, so they offset each other in the weighting process there. Now, all of these down here are taking some haircuts, and these are the stocks down here, MMTs. Here, let me pull this up. These are the stocks that we look at where they get that short-term oversold selling at the lower support levels. What we'll do is we'll go through each one of these and see where that pop is going to be for a short-term trade and take the ones that are the most negative. I got ISRG down here. That's a good gauge of the economy. When it does well, it has a lot to do with, they sell Da Vinci units, but it does a lot of business around the world. That NVIDIA chip maker, that's one's taken a little nosedive today. That's this highlighted row right here. Not much of anything, so it's very mixed bag. You know, that's always a rotating thing in the Nasdaq 100. So basically, Nasdaq 100, short-term overbought for the leaders, and the ones that are down here in the tank would be looking at going long on certain ones for a bounce. So once again, it's about long oversold, and it's once again MMTs. Then it becomes, you know, shorting some of the moves down for an intraday pop for the ones that are overbought.